Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Hundreds of Isoko sons and daughters went home with checks of various sums and cars donated to them under an empowerment program rolled out recently in Ole, headquarters of Isoko South local government area of Delta State, by business tycoon and philanthropist Dr. Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Danmotech. While beneficiaries of the Economic Empowerment Program describe it as first of its kind in Delta State, the donor, Danmotech, says it's in place to banish poverty in Isoko Kingdom.
Dr. Daniel Omoyibo, popularly known as Danmotech through his pet project, Danmotech Foundation, recently rolled out an empowerment program to benefit hundreds of Isoko Indigenes in Delta State. Among the first set of beneficiaries were 600 persons who received checks of various sums ranging from 100,000 naira to 10 million naira disbursed to them as business startup capital.
And I'm going to use this check to start my fashion business.
I thank God for Danmotech that bless us with this money. May Almighty God bless him.
As part of the Economic Empowerment Program, 77 vehicles of various brands, including saloon cars and SUVs, were lined up for distribution to beneficiaries.
In fact, I am the happiest person so far in Delta State as a whole. I will use this car for my business.
It is the car he gave to me. I'm going to, in fact, it's just like a newborn baby. I have to care for it, take care of the newborn baby, which is this car. I have to maintain it.
A former secretary to the Delta State government, Ovuzore Macaulay, who commissioned the vehicles donated to beneficiaries, described the empowerment program as first of its kind in Delta State.
The Isoko people and the humanity in general has grown beyond the empowerment of motorcycles. Yes. Empowerment has come to a stage where you should put food on somebody's table. And that means you make it possible for the person to provide for his or her family. Today, this is a good example of empowerment.
Danmotech, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Dantinajo Resort, is generally known and referred to as the most generous man in Isoko land. He says the Economic Empowerment Program is driven by love and compassion for his people, most of whom have been subjected to poverty in the midst of plenty.
The money you are leaving in that bank, when you die, now your enemies then go chop am. The money, the checks, I've been signing checks for 4 days now. The cash I'm going to release that will leave my account from today, go reach next week, is almost 170 million naira cash.
Inside the Niger Delta,